So first see the full permission is that full permission is full permission equal to 777.
Yes.
And whenever we create a file by root user or by the normal user, then what permission will be assigned to the file or the folder. So full permission is 777. The by default permission, by
644,
default,
right?
yes, by default permission for the root is, for root, let's increase this, 755. So where it comes 755, that means the umask value is umask value for root is root umask. Root umask is 022.
So
That
actually
means
755 is for directory or file?
755 is for the default directory.
Direct. Yeah. For file
755,
644, no?
yes. For the file is 644 default permission. Okay.
It all depends on the umask value.
It's depend on
022.
the umask value. That means full permission minus umask value, and you will get the default permission.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So full permission is 777. If root umask is 022, that means you have to decrease 022 value from 777. You will get the default permission for a root file or folder. Okay.
Okay.
And also same for the, also let's see for the normal user. So full permission is 777, and umask value for umask value of a normal user is 002. Okay. So umask value for 002 for default user, for the normal user or the default user. Okay. So the default value of permission is 777 minus 002 equal to 775. 775 will assign to a directory when a normal user is created. Okay. Normal user default permission. On a directory. And for the file is, for the file you we assume that the full permission of a file is 666. Okay, so we need only the read and write for a file. So if we minus the umask value for root, umask value of a root 022, then we get 644 for file.
Yeah, yeah.
File root user. And same as 666 minus umask value of a normal user 002. That means we get 664. Confirm?
Yeah, yeah. Fine, fine.
For file for normal user. Done?
Yes.
Okay. Okay,
So
so
how do
when
we change the umask?
we can change into the etc file is
Dot
file
profile.
located in .basrc and also in the /etc profile.
Okay.
So by entering custom value.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So let's set the umask value for a user. Okay. So I'm going to change the default umask value for Ubuntu user. Okay. Let's move to the normal user once again. Sudo, sorry, su Ubuntu, and I'm going to create one file here. First ls here. So let's make a file touch, and I'm going to create Akshay file here. Let's check the permission once again. So the permission is by default 664. As I discussed, the full permission minus this value, then you will get 664.
Correct. Correct.
Got it?
Yeah. Yeah. Got
And
it.
let's update the umask value. So move to the sudo su. I am a normal, sorry, I am a super user. Let's go into the basrc file, Ubuntu, hit enter, ll once again. So this is the file. You can change .basrc is located here. So this is the file .basrc. Let's make changes. Open it with vim and .bash rc. Hit enter. So you can enter any umask value in any line. So I'm going to enter here umask, I for the insert, umask, and value is
001.
I'm going to set the 00. No, I'm going to set the 00. That means whenever a Ubuntu user create any file, that means full permission is set for file or folder. Okay.
Okay.
But don't try this in real scenario or the live server. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. But usually they don't change, right? You must value in that production environment or in
No need to
long.
change. No need to change the umask value. I got the real scenario with the umask whenever I have, like, assume I have a website and I upload some content by Apache user, Apache server.
Hmm.
Okay. And secondly, I upload some content by FTP user.
Hmm.
So my FTP user umask value is different, and the my Apache user umask value is different. Okay. So
Okay.
whenever my customer or client is uploaded any video to the website, that means the uploading is completed and it will not show in the website again. When I refresh the website, it will not show.
Hmm.
So that time I use the UMass concept here and I said 000. That means anyone can upload the video on the website and anyone can see.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is the concept behind the UMask value. And let's switch the user.
Normal user. Okay.
Let's switch to the normal user. Sudo shu. Hit enter. Sorry, sudo su Ubuntu, and let's make some file into the which directory, into public directory. So let's go into the public directory, cd public, and make some file touch yadab. Hit enter. Let's check rw. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. The file. Let's make a folder. Let's try also make a folder mkdir and Varun. Hit enter. LL again. That means Varun have full permission.
Hmm.
Okay, got it?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. So if any question regarding this group
No, this
or
and
the
all is
permission
fine,
management.
Akshay. This and all I know actually, it's fine.
Okay,
So
okay.
nothing major. So if anything, I'll ask. If some scenario comes, I'll ask.
Okay, okay. Sure, sure.